Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to insert the SIM cards in iPhone 15 Pro. So let's get started. First thing first, ensure your iPhone 15 Pro is powered off before proceeding. After that, you'll find the SIM card tray on the side of the iPhone. On most iPhone models, including the iPhone 15 Pro, the SIM card tray is located on the right side. Then use the SIM ejector tool that came with your iPhone or a small paper clip. Insert the tool into the small hole next to the SIM card tray and gently push until the tray pops out. Then take your nano SIM card and ensure it is properly orientated. Then place the SIM card into the SIM card tray. The tray is designed to fit the SIM card with a specific orientation. Then match the notch on the SIM card with the notch in the tray to ensure it's inserted correctly. Once the SIM card is in place, carefully reinsert the SIM card tray back into the iPhone and make sure it sits flush with the side of the device. So then power on the iPhone. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.